I got old. I'm fat. What am I gonna do? Yeah, basically, I turned 40, which is why does my phone go off every single time I do anything? I turned 40, like actual 40, not like pretend 40, like 20, but you feel old, like actual 40. I'm having an existential crisis. I've realised that I'm now at least halfway through my life, which is I'm at least halfway towards this unending, eternal darkness in which there is nothing. And I won't be worried about it when I'm there, because I won't be worried about anything when I'm there. But I'm worried about it now. It don't. I want to know how. It's like a soap opera. I want to know how it all ends. What happens in end? Do we get flying cars? Is the world peace? Do we see aliens? I'm not going to find out because I'll be rotting away somewhere. It's poo, that, isn't it? Who invented this? It's a joke. Anyway, yeah. So I've been having an existential crisis. Not really. I just thought I'd be a bit dramatic for a minute. But I have had my friend down for 3 days, which is fantastic because I've not seen him in ages. So he came down and we got drunk a lot and ate some food, which was great. Last night I had a Chinese with other friends. And yeah, I've just been taking a break and having some winter blues and doing a little bit of nothing. But alas, the video making is resuming. I'm doing this little video now, and then I'm going to make another one after this, which will be me crashing my boat, which is fun. I'm full of a cold. I've got a sore foot. My eye's better. Won't be if I keep doing stuff like that. I've got 3 jobs now. If you count YouTube as a job, I don't really pay any money, so not really. But working at the job that I can't tell you about for some, I probably could. And working as a food delivery driver, home delivery thing at Morrison's. I've done my training days and stuff now. I'm out on my big on tomorrow, so that's going to be exciting. Yeah, I got old. I'm 40. I'm living in a sleeping bag. Mental, innit? Life. Waffling. The good thing is, though, I've been saying for a while that by the time I'm 40, I want to be retired and living on a boat. And I've got 50% of that right so far, which is great. Halfway to your dreams is further closer to your dreams and nowhere near your dreams. So there you go, we've got that. So would I say, am I any closer to my dream? My dream being faffing around on a boat. Well, yeah, I am faffing around on a boat. I'm not as close as to the dream, i.e. not faffing on a boat and working all the time, as I'd like to be, but I'm closer to the dream than if I had never set off, which is a stumbling block for a lot of people, and I think there's a lot to be said for just throwing caution to the wind and screw it and just go and do it, because, like I say, it's just going to be eternal darkness soon. You got no other choice then. You can't go back. So it's like bollocks to it. Just go and do stuff, and it'll probably go wrong, and it'll probably be crap a lot of the time. But you'll still be doing what you want to and trying, and it might just work. That remains to be seen. But we won't know until the end, whenever that may be. That was deep. And it's easy to think oh, it's been a bad year because you lost your other boat and you didn't make it, you've not been anywhere. But it's actually been a good year because what I've got is a more usable boat once I pay for it. More usable boat. Loads of good friends around me. I'm doing sailing courses and I'm learning stuff. And you've got you guys. What's not to like? Yeah, so it's not been that bad, has it? Reflecting on another year. I don't know where I'll be when I'm 41. Hopefully, somewhere slightly warmer, but not too warm. Yeah, that's why I've been away, basically. And now I'm back, so I'm going to. Get doing stuff again. Get working. Get busy. Well, get working outside of work. And we'll see how it goes. Thanks for sticking around. You're making this journey bearable, I'd say. So yeah. See you at 41. I'm technically already 41 because it's been my birth. No, 40. Oh, you're such a prick. So let's see where I am when we're 41. Good Bidens. Good Bidens? That's not even a thing, is it? Goodbye thens? Oh.